color so we can say go. Okay, what color are you guys shooting?
Orange.
What color? Black. Go ahead, Chris. This is for the championship.
Yeah.
Go.
Go, kid! Go, kid!
Here, Ken.
Get the orange.
Get the bullets over here. Reload here.
Oh, what the heck?
We're black. Yeah. Good.
Yeah!
Oh! I almost hit it from here. I know, but didn't go over.
Yeah!
You got another orange one. 2 more orange ones. Junior, you gotta shoot them.
He's throwing it.
I'm out of ammo. Oh!
Nice shot.
Oh, lucky I have these things.
Donovan, back up.
Far one.
Junior, load it up again.
Hey, I can't get the bullet.
Yes, you can.
Orange has 2, black has 4.
Ah.
This is the championship game.
Black one has 4 or 3.
We got 4.
Black has 4. There's 1, 2, 3, 4.
One over there, one there.
Oh, you gotta get that. Houston, you gotta shoot the bigger black ones.
Danny, can you help me get ammo?
Grab them. You got some in there. Shoot. Go.
Hey, cheaters.
Bigger orange one, Houston.
Oh.
Here's hot backwards.
Get bullets in a minute.
I want to try it. Woo, good sniper.
Oh, good shot, Easton.
Let's go.
You have one more, Easton. You have one more bottle over there.
He's on the wrong side.
Back up, back up. You have one more bottle over there. You guys gotta shoot.
Come on, we gotta get it.
Oh. Mike, try and get it.
Can't find the bullet.
Come on, we gotta get this one. We still have shoot. Yeah.
Hey, how am I supposed to get that one?
Why are you so close?
I'm trying to find bullets.
Oh. You're blocking their bottle.
That's that one.
I know.
Then that means you guys gotta run out there and get some. You're out.
You made it a little too long, I think.
Hey, they got one over here.
They did get one, yeah.
It's gonna be a long round.
I got one bullet right here. Somebody want it?
Woo, almost.
Easton, get your red ones.
Easton, run and get your red ones. Run over there and grab them. Go.
Those far ones are just.
If you guys are out of bullets, you gotta grab some.
Good save.
Oh, almost.
I think those ones are heavy over there.
Where'd that orange one come from?
I don't know.
That one's not supposed to be there. That one's not supposed to be there.
That one's good.
Where'd it come from? It wasn't there.
Someone must have hit it and stood it straight up.
There's only that one left in front of you, right?
That's why we wear glasses.
Get shot by his own guy.
Getting shot by everybody. Team kill. Team killing.
Donovan almost got it. You almost got it, Donovan. Junior, you're empty. Never mind.
He has like 2 in there.
It's not worth the effort. Junior, that one's
Oh,
already knocked
almost
down.
Donovan. You're so.
Oh!
Oh!
One more. Let's go.
You gotta stand that one back up. Yeah.
What the heck?
He just kicked it over.
We got one more.
Fine. Oh, they got all the bullets now.
Oh, one more.
Oh my God.
One more each team.
Come on, come on. Grab your bullets. Let's go.
One more.
Oh,
This is a long round. Woo! Better hurry up, somebody. Hurry, Easton.
Has the advantage with the bigger gun. Find some. Go.
Easton, you gotta back up.
Yes, like 3 times. It's a heavy one. Yeah.
You got